Some people try to fix a loose neckline by just pinching the shoulder seams, but it sometimes looks wrong. I'm going to show you the professional way to fix your favorite clothes so it looks factory fresh. First, carefully remove the stitching all around the neck opening. And don't spend an hour on this. It's a quick seam rip and thread clean, and it's all you need. The secret isn't just sewing, it's the ratio, and we are going to shorten the neckband by about 15%, and that way we are going to solve gapping neckline problem. Next step is to mark in the amount that you want to take out, and don't forget to add the extra for seam allowance. Make sure the right sides of the fabric are touching each other, and I will be stitching on the wrong side of the fabric. Then trim that extra piece of fabric. Okay, great. Next, with Tailor's chalk, mark 4 equal points on the neckband and the shirt's neck opening. And this step is very important as you can't just resew the neckband. You have to quarter it. If you don't do it, it's gonna turn bad. It will be full of puckering and it's gonna look unprofessionally done. Then turn the garment wrong side out and align the mark points on the neckband with mark points on the shirt's neck opening. Make sure the right sides of the fabric are touching each other and the raw edges of the neckline band and the neckline opening are aligned. And we are going to add additional equal pinning points to ensure symmetry. You may want to sew a base stitch instead of the straight sewing pins. Now sew the fabric layers together with a straight running stitch with medium stitch length. And I use my sewing machine to do so, but you can hand sew it if you don't have a sewing machine. Then enclose and protect raw fabric edges from fraying. I use a zigzag stitch to do so, but if you have a serge machine, you can use the overlock stitch. It works great. And then if you don't have sewing machine, again, you can use a overcast or blanket stitch. It's gonna do the job. Perfect. Now let's turn back the shirt right side out and press the neckline seam allowance down towards the body of the shirt. At this point, this alteration is almost done, but if you're looking for a more professional finish, and follow with a top stitch along the outside of the neckline, roughly about 8 to 16th of an inch from the edge, while keeping the garment fabric flat. Now, a few finishing touches. If your shirt came with the bonding strip at the back of the neckline, you can reattach that now. And also, if you want to reattach the label, now is the time to do so. So once I have that, I'm gonna top stitch with the same stitch length, press flat the neckline, and that's it. Let me know how you like this tutorial. And if you're looking for easy way to hem pants, click here. And also, if you're looking to shorten wide neckline without sewing machine, click here.